What are some troubleshooting steps for Xbox Live Ethernet connection issues?
Welcome to our tutorial. Today, we'll walk through some troubleshooting steps for Ethernet connection issues with Xbox Live. We understand how frustrating it can be when you're ready for a gaming session, but your Xbox won't connect to the internet. Let's help you get back online as soon as possible.
Check your Xbox Live service status.
The first thing you should do when encountering Ethernet connection issues is check the Xbox Live service status. Sometimes, it may not be an issue with your Ethernet connection at all but a service outage on Microsoft's end. 1. On your Xbox console, navigate to Settings. 2. Scroll to the System tab and select Xbox Live status. If there's an issue with Xbox Live, you'll need to wait for Microsoft to resolve it.
Inspect your Ethernet cable and ports.
Physical problems with your Ethernet cable or ports might be causing the issue. Inspect your Ethernet cable and Ethernet port on both your Xbox console and modem, router. Check for any visible signs of damage or disconnection. If there's any suspicion of damage, try a different Ethernet cable if one is available.
Power cycle your Xbox console and router.
A simple power cycle can resolve many connectivity issues. Power cycle your Xbox. 1. Press and hold the Xbox button on the front of the console for 10 seconds. 2. After the console has shut down, unplug the power cord. 3. Wait 10 seconds, then plug the power cord back in. 4. Turn on the Xbox by pressing the Xbox button. Power cycle your router. 1. Unplug your router's power cable. 2. Wait about 1 minute, then plug it back in. 3. Allow the router a few minutes to reboot.
Check network settings and test Xbox Live connection.
Once your console and router are back up, check your network settings and test your Xbox Live connection. 1. Navigate to Settings on your Xbox console. 2. Choose General, then Network Settings. 3. Here, you can view your network status and select Test Network Connection.
Contact your ISP or Microsoft support.
If you've tried all of the above steps and you're still experiencing issues, it may be time to contact your Internet Service Provider, ISP. They can check if there are any issues with your internet service. If your ISP says everything is fine, consider reaching out to Microsoft support for further assistance. That's all for this guide. We hope these steps have helped you troubleshoot your Xbox Live Ethernet connection issues. We know it's crucial to get back into your games as soon as possible, so we wish you a quick and successful troubleshooting process. Keep gaming and stay connected.